You need to hear this if you're a knuckle cracker. Will it give you arthritis? Let's find out. Alright, so the big question, does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? The short answer is nope. Here's the deal. When you crack your knuckles, you're actually popping tiny gas bubbles in the fluid around your joints. It's like opening a soda can, just a bit less fizzy. Researchers have done studies on this, and guess what? No link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. Your grandma might have told you otherwise, but science says you're in the clear. But hey, before you start a knuckle-popping marathon, remember, it can still annoy people around you. And if you feel pain or swelling, it's time to see a doc. So crack away if you like, but do it responsibly. And share this to blow your friend's mind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more myth-busting fun.